And the caste row escalates in the parliament and the Congress to move the privilege motion against Prime Minister Modi. It is the Congress party who's gone on to say that it's the Prime Minister who's reposted that speech of Anurag Thakur, while it's Rahul Gandhi versus Anurag Thakur and the clash over the caste remarks. And what could escalate the row as far as the BJP leader Anurag Thakur's caste remark is concerned against Rahul Gandhi? The main opposition has decided to move a privilege complaint against Prime Minister Modi after he praised what was said in Anurag Thakur's speech. Now, it is Anurag Thakur who made pointed remarks referring the caste of Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition. Mr. Thakur's comments were perceived as derogatory and also by the Congress party, leading to a major uproar. Mr. Gandhi has accused Anurag Thakur of insulting him. He said, "You can go on insulting me and I will not even demand an apology from Anurag Thakur." However, it's the opposition that's demanded an apology by the government. It is those remarks of Anurag Thakur that were made in Lok Sabha that were endorsed by the Prime Minister, who shared that link. In fact, on social media, said the speech is by my young and energetic colleague. It's a must hear. Perfect mix. It is a mix of facts and humor, exposing the dirty politics of the India Alliance, is what the Prime Minister has said about this.
जाति न पूछो साधु की। राहुल जी साधु हैं? वो साधु होते तो उनकी जाति नहीं पूछी जाती। पूछ लीजिए ज्ञान, वो ज्ञानवान है। चलिए हम आपसे पूछ लेते हैं, जाति नहीं पूछेंगे आपकी। बताइए आपका ज्ञान। आप जाति जनगणना चाहते हैं और आप कह रहे हैं कि सदन के अंदर जाति पूछी नहीं जा सकती है, तो बाहर जाति कैसे पूछी जा सकती है? आप प्रधानमंत्री की जाति पर टिप्पणी कर सकते हैं, मगर कोई आपकी जाति पूछ नहीं सकता। मुझे आश्चर्य होता है राहुल गांधी जी की सेंस ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट पे। वो टी शर्ट और जीन्स पहन के आते हैं। मैं किसी कपड़े के ऊपर कमेंट नहीं कर रहा हूं। भद्रता, नम्रता, शीलता यह भी होती है। जेब के अंदर दोनों हाथ डाल के आते हैं।
And we also have Pooja Tripathi of the Congress party joining us. This is in regard to the caste row that's escalating in the parliament and the Congress to move the privilege motion against the Prime Minister. Pooja, take us through the opposition there that's decided to move a privilege complaint against the Prime Minister.
Not only Anurag Golimaro Thakur made a very hateful casteist remark saying jiski jati ka pata nahi. What was sad is the Prime Minister of this country. He's the Prime Minister of opposition to. He's the Prime Minister of Rahul Gandhi too. He went on to share this and pat back of somebody as deceitful, as hateful as Mr. Anurag Thakur. And I'll not respond to Sambit Patra. He's been the one who has gone on record to say Rahul Gandhi, Mir Jafar, Jagannath Prabhu, a devotee of Narendra Modi. So I'm not going to answer to somebody as shallow as Sambit Patra because, whenever he opens his mouth, he is just some hateful comment that he comes across. But what I really want to answer Prime Minister Modi ji now because, when he shared the speech of Anurag Thakur, he has just put a seal on the whole hateful casteist remarks that was made by him. He wants to know the jati of Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi's jati is his great-grandfather spent 9.5 years in prison in the freedom movement. His grandmother, his father were the ones who laid down their lives for the country. He wants to know the jati of Rahul Gandhi. Go and ask the jati of Rahul Gandhi from Ramchat Mochi, from the Rameshwar Sabziwala, from Nirbhaya's mother. This is the same Rahul Gandhi and they will tell you what his jati is. I think this is a very sorry state of affairs. They have not yet come down from their position of arrogance. When they have the audacity to stand in the parliament and say, jiski jati ka pata nahi. The sad part is Prime Minister boosting it, Prime Minister reposting it, and that's why the opposition has moved on a privilege motion.
Well, Pooja, it is Rahul Gandhi who's gone on to say that he's been insulted by Anurag Thakur. He's also gone on to say that he can continue insulting him and that he wouldn't be demanding an apology. But it is the opposition that's demanding an apology by the government.
Opposition is demanding because Prime Minister, see, as I said, we don't expect much from Anurag Thakur, who went on to give a very inflammatory speech called Goli Maro when the Delhi was burning in the brink of riots. We won't expect anybody who has no political capital to boast of, and we don't expect anybody who has been, removed from the ministerial position. But when Prime Minister reposted, when Prime Minister puts a seal of approval, is the government standing by somebody who has made a very casteist slur on the floor of parliament saying jiski jati ka pata nahi, and that's why we need an apology from Prime Minister himself, because he has disrespected, he has insulted a martyr's family, he has disrespected and insulted a member of parliament, and that's why Prime Minister, owing to the Prime Minister of 140 crore Indians, he's not just Anurag Thakur's Prime Minister, he's not just Bharatiya Janata Party's Prime Minister, he's the Prime Minister of the whole country, and that's why he's responsible for every action and every word. And that's why we need an apology.
Pooja Tripathi is the Prime Minister who's not just reposted Anurag Thakur's speech, but has also said it's a must hear, a perfect mix of facts and humour, exposing the dirty politics of the India Alliance. How would you respond to that?
I think, as I said, it's very sad. It's very demeaning to the whole, to the idea of a country, to the idea of democracy, that you're standing in the temple of democracy and you're saying that this is a must listen. Somebody saying that jiski jati ka pata nahi, and Prime Minister saying this is a must listen. But the masks are off. The mask of dignity, the mask of decorum, and the mask of political accountability are off. You are just backing a very hateful speech. You're just backing a very vile statement made by somebody in the when the speaker has expunged his remarks from the parliamentary speech, the Prime Minister goes on to say that it is a must listen. So I think we might say that we need an apology, but the masks are off, and Prime Minister is as hateful and as deceitful as Mr. Anurag Golimaru Thakur himself.
And it's Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav who's got on to question as to how can Anurag Thakur really talk about someone's caste in the House. He's also gone on to speak about how he hasn't got a ministerial berth in the Modi government 3.0, which is why such remarks are being made. Pooja Tripathi, Akhilesh Yadav there backing Rahul Gandhi, asking as to how can such remarks be made by, these remarks that are being made, questioning those remarks of Anurag Thakur.
Sorry, can you repeat the question? Sorry.
Yeah, Pooja, when we talk about, it is, the Samajwadi Party that is backing Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav has also gone on to question how can Anurag Thakur talk about someone's caste in the House, and he's also gone on to say that he's probably agitated because he didn't get a ministerial berth in the Modi government 3.0.
That's what we are saying. That what is the political capital of Anurag Thakur other than being the son of Prem Kumar Dhumal? That's what we are saying. When we talk about Jatigat Jarna, somebody, the post of Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association should go to somebody other than Dhumals and Thakurs. And that's not the whole point that we are making. When we say that you stand up in the parliament and say, jiski jati ka pata nahi, and that's why this is the bond of India Alliance, that's strengthened when not only Rahul Gandhi, when he said he does not need an apology, and as I said, we never needed an apology from somebody as hateful. It's the Prime Minister we are asking an apology from. So when Akhilesh Yadav countering him, Akhilesh Yadav, making a strong opinion, making a strong dissent against what he said, it goes on to say that you cannot mess with. Gone are the days when you had this 300 plus numbers in the parliament and you could say anything, you could do anything. Now the parliament needs accountability from the members of the parliament, from the both sides, and opposition and government too. And this is a very caste slur that has been unleashed on Rahul Gandhi, and government should apologize for what he said.
Pooja Tripathi, how would you also react to Sambit Patra's jibe when it comes to the dressing of Rahul Gandhi, commenting on his jeans and t-shirt?
I hope Sambit Patra goes on to say that it was Mahatma Gandhi who went on to the roundtable conferences in London and everywhere in just a dhoti and a vest, and after a few years he removed his vest too, and it was just his dhoti. So commenting on somebody's clothes we can expect this from somebody as low life as Sambit Patra, who goes on to call Rahul Gandhi Mir Jafar's lineage. And so I said I will not respond to Sambit Patra जो कहती है कि माँ और बेटा मोटा मोटा माल ला जाते हैं. You're a member of parliament, for God's sake. Look, listen to what are you saying. I mean, where's the decency? Where is the decorum? And where's the gravity in what you're saying कि माँ बेटा मोटा मोटा माल ले आते हैं. Soros की संतानें हैं. You want me to respond to Sambit Patra's such shallow comments, and I will not. We don't go down to the level of Sambit Patra.